Alright, so I'm only letting you out just to see if you can actually do something. I know I've been doing all this sad shit, all this moping, but it's a vibe, right? Let the beat play with it. So as I was saying, if you can prove to me that you can do some crazy shit, then I'll let you hop on some more tracks. But this is just a test, you know? Alright, let's see what you got, boy.
Then you smoke like then you smoke like then you smoke like then you smoke like suck out my dick like a whistle, ayy. Bitch tryna get me sick, or ayy. Fucking that bitch till she purple, ayy. Squid on my face like some Listerine. Double cup pussy up with the lean. She wanna act like she know me. Hit her from the back smoking stogies, ayy. Spit some fire like an APA. Fucking some bitch named Stacy, ayy. Just pop a pill, I'm hazy, y'all. Feel like I'm going crazy, y'all. Feeling like I'm savage. Rockstar lifestyle lavish. Break you down like cabbage. Slice you up so tragic. Then you smoke like 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 then you smoke like.
That was actually sick, dog. I'm not even gonna lie. I like the way you did things. It surprised me in a way. Well, to be honest, I want you on a different track now. We're gonna reload the thing, but at a different beat. I see it, man. You got that talent.